What's going on, guys? This is going to be part 2 to the Viper pan and drain treatment video. In the first video I came up here, cleaned out the drain pan, cleaned out the trap, and then applied the product. And now we're about 3.5 to 4 months later checking out the unit. And I am very impressed. No growth or buildup in the pan. I applied it to the entire pan, and you can see all of that product has been used up. It's going to be kind of hard to see, but there's no funky stuff growing in the water or anything like that. Everything looks relatively clean for this old unit. Again, it's got some years on it, so. And again, we applied it to the drain. Not sure how well you'll be able to see. Yeah, it's going to be difficult to see. I might be able to see here, but there is almost no dark growth in the trap at all. So I am very impressed with the product. I've been using it now for several months on many units, and it's a no-brainer for me to use this over the condensate tablet options. It works better, it's more effective, just all around better product in my opinion. So yeah, I'm very happy with it. We'll continue to stock it on all our trucks and use it every summer, every spring. So what I'm going to do on this video, since it's pretty short, is I'm going to go ahead and give away one of these bottles of the Viper pan and drain treatment. To enter, it's going to be super simple. All you have to do is comment below this video what your favorite Refrigeration Technologies product is. That's all you have to do. This is going to be a US only giveaway, unfortunately, so hopefully soon we can do some international stuff, but at this point it's just going to be US only. But comment below what your favorite Refrigeration Technologies product is, and we'll give it about 3 or 4 days, and then I'll go ahead and pick a winner at random, and we'll ship this out to you so you can try it out for yourself, and maybe it's something that you want to start stocking on your trucks. But if you aren't a winner or you want to try it out for yourself, there's the part number, RT800S, and the website, www.refrig.com. Be sure to check that out. Be sure to go check out Refrigeration Technologies' Facebook page, Instagram page, YouTube page. Show them some support. Great company, great people, and most importantly, great products. So thanks for watching, guys, and good luck in the contest.